I was in 4th grade, I had to do a demonstration speech for my class, and I made 7 Lego bars. Remember those? This is an elevated version, and it's my spin on an updated recipe that Chrissy Teigen put in her latest Cravings cookbook. The crust is made out of Oreos instead of graham crackers, and it uses peanut butter chips, and the topping is both coconut and potato chips, so you get that kind of salty sweet vibe going. And it is still too hot to cut, or I would be tasting it in front of you, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. Snack-sized bag of Oreos into the food processor with some melted butter. You know I love my Kelowna Supernatural. More butter in the bottom of the pan. Also, use parchment paper. I will next time. Press down the cookie crumbs and start piling on the toppings. If you don't like something, just leave it off. First, some chopped nuts. Use whatever you have. Then peanut butter chips, chocolate chips. I used a mix of dark and semi-sweet, shredded coconut, and a few handfuls of smashed potato chips. Don't knock it till you've tried it. Top it with some sweetened condensed milk and pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. The hardest part is waiting for them to cool before you scarf them down. They are out of this world. Full recipe and variations are on the blog.